Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to obtain the center and the radius of a circle given the equation. So we are told find the center and the radius of the circle whose equation is x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 5 is equal to 0. So the first thing we need to do is remember that the equation for a circle is given by x minus a squared plus y minus b squared, and that is equal to r squared. So what we're going to do is manipulate this equation to fit what we have. So for us to do that, let us rewrite this equation such that both x and y have got the standard form for a normal quadratic equation, that is ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So let us do that. So we'll have x squared plus 4x, and that is complete for the x variable there. So for y, we have y squared, but there is no b, so we can represent b by 0, so that our equation looks like that. So minus 5 is equal to 0. So let us take the constant term to the right hand side, so that we have x squared plus 4x plus y squared minus 0y is equal to 5. So when we move the constant term to the right, the left-hand side is left as an incomplete square. So we try completing it by introducing a c, because we have taken the c away. So for us to get c, we have to look at the relationship. C is the same as half of b squared. So let us use that to rewrite this. So we're going to have x squared plus half of squared plus y squared minus 0y plus half of b. So half of b, half of 0 is just 0. So half of that squared. Then for us to keep the equation balanced, we do the same to the right hand side. So we have 5 plus 2 squared plus 0 squared. So now let us pick the complete square this side. We do that by taking the root of x. So x plus the new c, the root of the new c. So the root of 2 squared is just 2. Then you square that. Then we do the same for y variable. So we're going to have the root of y squared is y plus b, half of b squared, that is the new c. So you take the root of that, which is just 0, and then you square it. And then you simplify this side, that is 5 plus 4, which is just 9. So you can write this as x plus 2 squared plus y plus 0 squared, and then you write 9 as 3 squared. Then you now compare this with the standard form of the equation of a circle, which is normally x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equal to r squared. So if this is the case, then the center for an equation, for a circle like this, the center is normally given by a, b. So in our case, a is negative 2 and b is negative 0, which is just 0. And then r is 3. That is the radius. So the radius is r, which in our case is just 3. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and please remember to subscribe to my channel.